How you doing, everybody? This is Chris from Pro Paint Jobs. We are at this newly purchased condominium, Park Slope, Brooklyn, and we're doing a complete color change. Now, there's a lot going on here that you can't see. Heavy texture on the walls, so we sanded them heavily. But before we did that, like here's something maybe you can see. We're going to go over everything and try to get every single thing off. So we started some scraping. See the previous paint job, what a shame. Whole bunch of things. Just done poorly. I'm not touching any sills. They're going to remain wood, but I mean, you can see the paint job on the floor. It's everywhere. Heavy roller and brush marks. And this is just one little piece, and it's just consistent throughout. So we're sanding, we're scraping. See the sand marks up and down? They did some test sampling here. And even, this is a good example of why we sand. Because this used to be solid color, but when you sand, these are all the heads that we're knocking off by sanding. Any yellow coming through is basically that. Then we have areas here. This is what we walked into. So we have to fix this somehow. Just skim coat over it, make it nice. They also removed their cabinets. Now this is unique. Never seen this before. They're gonna leave them off. So I have to fix that whole wall, make it nice. Now I already started. As you can see here, this was just a crack. So I cut the sides so I can make it on an angle, so like the compound fills that in nicely, and put some tape in that corner. Also, where this cabinet was, they cut, with the brush around it. Now this is very heavy texture here. Now what I started doing here, this was so heavy, this line, that I don't care even if you skim coat it, you're gonna see it. So what I like to do is literally, on an angle, just cut it out. So now, when we skim coat it, this will be a flat surface. Incredibly tedious, but that's what we do. And wherever I feel, where I think the skim coat will not work, I just literally a hair, just a hair. So I'll do that all around here. This feels pretty nice. I think I'm gonna give this a cut here. Now it feels pretty good all the other spots. But yeah, you could skim coat this all day and it just won't. So I'm just gouging out. Fix that later. And of course, as when I look around, even though the refrigerator is gonna go here, they're everywhere. So we have hours of that work. And just to show you around a little more. Now they want these doors to remain wood, but they want the door frames painted white, so we're going to do that. And these are some prior repairs that were here. So we're going to touch those up and fix those up a little better. Make it smooth. All the faceplates are be coming off. Again, paint all over the floor. When you look in deeper, there's scratches and scuffs all over the floor as well. And that's normal, and that's okay. So then we have downstairs. More of the same. Down here it's a little better. You got all these closets and walk in here. They don't want the doors to be painted, but just the frames around the doors will be painted. Another closet. They're doing a load of laundry, so forgive the noise. And this is some kind of laundry room with the bathroom in it. We started scraping this down. They did something up here. Heavy texture. We're going to correct that as well. That's the job. So we're going to get started, fix this place up. We got a lot of repair work to do, a lot of taping. We're going to get on it, and we'll see you in a little bit. Thank you. We're back, steady progress. Let me just show you here. There it is, whole lot of fixing. Whole lot of fixing here. Nothing crazy in this room. But the crazy stuff is what you can't see. Like all these face plates were caulked on. We had to cut them out. Everything needed to be caulked. These door frames got primed. Color's going on now. It's just midway. Looking great. Even here, got all done up. Nice. Working our way downstairs now. Freshly coated, that's twice, no more green. Closets are getting worked on. This room was fun. Some skim coating. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, here's your finished product, everybody. Pro Paint Jobs here. Just want to show you. A lot of scraping, a lot of drips. Again, poorly painted this house was. Walls looking great. It's gonna hang some shelves. It's gonna look even better. Closets are all completed. Still drying. Nonetheless, came out great. Currently working on the base. That's what it will look like. This room's complete. Was green at one point. Looks nice. This room, no ventilation in here, so this is drying. This was green. If you remember, there's a ton of work up there in this area. Looks great. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll put up another one soon. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested, propaintjobs.com. Take care.